Hi everyone, good evening. It's me again, Kenneth Sabia, your virtual tour guide of day-to-day adventure. This is a night ride going to Wang Nai Chonggap here in Hong Kong. So this is how it looks like at night in Hong Kong, and I'm using still the Insta360 OneX2. Now I'm on manual settings on manual settings. I think the ISO is around 800 or 1600, 24 FPS, and 5.7 or 5.3K. So how does it look like right now, guys? Is it like clear or something? Does it look good, or is it does it work for you, or it's just too grainy? So I'm gonna look for a way how to make it look amazing for a video, for a night video, because a lot of people are saying it's too grainy and this and that. Well, yeah, I mean it's expected to be grainy because it's it has a very small sensor camera, so a tiny camera can't have it all, with all the features that it has. It already has a very good feature, which is I really like. And I already have the Insta360 OneX before, and quality wise I'd say they're the same, but for some reason I like the color of the old one. I don't know, maybe they're just too much edit on or software. I think a lot of software edit already on this new camera. So yeah, how's everybody? And guys, I'm letting you know that we already reached 1,000 subscribers, and we just need around 700 watch hours, which is a lot, and I hope we can get there in time. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for subscribing, and I appreciate it a lot. And if you got any questions, suggestions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, so the temperature now here in Hong Kong is I think today the lowest that it got was 17 degrees Celsius, and yeah, it's cold, and I don't have my windbreaker with me, but I think for now what I'm wearing still works. I'm wearing shorts, which I think is like okay for now, but later tonight it won't be too okay. So yeah, what we're gonna do here at the Hong Kong, we're just gonna sign our court. I was able to book courts this evening, but my clients canceled, so I'm just gonna sign my courts, and so that we won't be blacklisted, because once you're blacklisted in booking courts here in Hong Kong, you won't be able to book courts for 3 months, and it's such a long time for a coach to have not their own booking. It will make it more challenging or more difficult if we can get courts. So that's why we have to book court courts now. We have to sign the courts. So yeah, that's how it is. That's how it works here. And to be honest, it's been very difficult to book course here in Hong Kong because, you know, with the current situation, the COVID thing, it's everybody's here. Everybody couldn't leave. I mean, we can leave, but a lot of people opted not to because of the 21-day quarantine back here in Hong Kong if you all come from a high-risk country, which Philippines is considered as a high-risk country. So if I'm gonna go back home, I'd be staying there for a few days, or let's say for a week, and after that I had to do the quarantine for 21 days. So I'd be gone for more than a month, which is a long time. And we're here. I'm just gonna park and then leave again. Just here. Sorry. So I'm just gonna leave my helmet here. Now I don't have my tripod or my selfie stick, so I'm just holding it right now, handheld. So whether I'm gonna do this, still you can see me. And this is Hong Kong Center. Okay, so we just signed our court, and look, I'm not sure how you if you can hear me clearly, but I'm using the wireless Go 2 Rode wireless Go 2 right now, and that's it for our sign of court. And we need to go back home just like that. And look, this is where I pop my Insta, my wireless Go 2 in my helmet here. So this is where the mic is. I have some sticky tape here and stick it inside, and that's it. We go wireless. So now everything's good. If you might ask, the bike that we have here is the Ak550. Yes, we have a 550cc scooter here, which is an amazing and very comfortable to drive. And look at that view. I know it's not too clear because it is very wide. So yeah, time to head home. And it's a lot cooler here because it's like up in a mountain. lights. Concrete jungle indeed. So how's everything there in the Philippines and the rest of the world? I bet I see a lot of posts in the Philippines that, especially in Cebu, people are traveling around already. Very good. People are posting photos in Boracay. Yeah, very nice stuff, guys. Very good. As we know, there's a new variant of the COVID-2 that is out. And so far, the information that they're telling us is that it can spread fast, it can spread quickly, but it's not as lethal compared to the alpha variant, especially now that we're all a lot of people are vaccinated. So it's good. It's not, it hasn't spread in Hong Kong, because as you know, the quarantine in Hong Kong is good for 21 days. And do you know, after 21 days you have to stay at home and check yourselves for 7 days again. How is that? Don't tell me you won't be sure that you don't have the COVID after that. You're gonna self-isolate after 21 days quarantine. So basically 1 month of quarantine. So guys, thanks so much for hanging with me. For those who are new here, please do like and subscribe. I'm Kenneth Sabadia, your virtual tour guide. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.